Hello children, today in maths I'll teach you what number comes before. So you take out your maths copy and write the heading. Write what number comes before and underline the heading. For your understanding, I've written the numbers from 0 to 20 and I'll make you understand from here. Dash 1. In before we put the blank first and then the number. So what number comes before 1? See over here. Before 1 we write 0. That means you have to go up. So we'll write over here 0. What number comes before 2? Before 2 we write 1. So we'll write over here 1. What number comes before 3? Before 3 we write 2. So we'll write over here 2. What number comes before 4? Before 4 we write 3. So we'll write over here 3. Dash 5. Which number comes before 5? You have to go up. Before 5 you write 4. So we will write 4. Which number comes before 6? Go up 5. So we'll write over here 5. Which number comes before 7? Before 7 go up 6. So 6 comes before 7. Which number comes before 8? Before 8 comes 7. So 7. Which number comes before 9? Before 9 we write 8. So we'll write over here 8. Which number comes before 10? Before 10 we write 9. So we'll write 9 over here. Which number comes before 11? Before 11 we write 10. So 1, 0, 10. Which number comes before 12? Before 12 we write 1, 1, 11. So we'll write over here 1, 1, 11. Which number comes before 13? Before 13 we write 1 to 12. So we'll write over here 1 to 12. Which number comes before 14? Before 14 we write 13. So 1, 3, 13. Which number comes before 15? Before 15 we write 14. You have to go up. So 1, 4, 14. Which number comes before 16? Before 16 we write 15. 1, 5, 15. Which number comes before 17? Before 17 we write 1, 6, 16. Which number comes before 18? Before 18 we write 1, 7, 17. Which number comes before 19? Before 19 comes 18. 1, 8, 18. Which number comes before 20? Before 20 we write 1, 9, 19. So you have understood what number comes before? I'll give you worksheet on this topic. Fill in the blanks. Number A, dash 20. First we will write 19, then we will write 20. So which number comes before 20? We have to go up. 1, 9, 19. Dash 10. First we will write 9, then we will write 10. Which number comes before 10? 9. So we will write over here 9. Dash 37. Which number comes before 37? 3, 6, 36. First number is 3, we'll write 3 and before 7 comes 6. So 3, 6, 36. Dash 50. We'll write the number first. Then which number comes before 50? We have to go up. 4, 9, 49. Dash 15. First we'll write 14, then we'll write 15. Before 15 we write 14. So we'll write over here 1, 4, 14. Dash 30. We'll write first 29. Then we'll write 30, 30. Which number comes before 30? You have to go up. 29, 29. Dash 45. First number is 4. Then before 5 we write 4. 4, 4, 44. See, 44, 45. 45 up you go, 44. Then dash 22. 21, 22. Which number comes before 22? 2, 1, 21. Then 14. 13, 14. Which number comes before 14? 1, 3, 13. Then 40. 3, 9, 39. 4, 0, 40. Which number comes before 40? 3, 9, 39. You can practice with other numbers also. Now we'll do the next topic. Which number comes after? After means you have to go down. So for your understanding, I've written again from 0 to 20. You can see over here. After means the blank will come after the number. So after 0 comes What do we write? 1. So we'll write 1. After 1 comes 2. So we'll write 2. After 2 comes 3. After 3 comes 4. After 4 comes 5. After 5 comes 6. After 6 comes 7. After 7 comes 8. After 8 comes 9. After 9 comes 1, 0, 10. After 10 comes, you can see 11. 1, 1, 11. After 11 comes 1, 2, 12. After 12 comes 1, 3, 13. After 13 comes 1, 4, 14. After 14 comes 1, 5, 15. After 15 comes 1, 6, 16. After 16 comes 1, 7, 17. After 17 comes 1, 8, 18. That means we are going down, okay, for after. 1, 8, 18, then 1, 9, 19. And after 19, number will change to 0, 20. So after means you are going down and before means you are going up, okay. So now I am giving you fill in the blanks. You can see number A, 49 dash. So what comes after 49, 49? The number will change because 9 is over here. After 4 will come 5, 5, 0, 50. 3, 5, 35. Then 3 number, first number 3. After 5 comes 6, 3, 6, 36. 2, 2, 22 dash. That means first number is 2. Second number after 2 comes 3. 2, 3, 23. After 7 comes 8. After 16 comes 1, 7, 17. Then 1, 0, 10. And then 1, 1, 11. Then 2, 9, 29. Number will change because 9 is there. So it will be 3, 0, 30. 4, 0, 40. Then 4, 1, 41. 1, 8, 18. First number is 1. After 8 will come 9. 1, 9, 19. 3, 3, 33. First number is 3. Second number change. After 3 comes 4. 3, 4, 34. So you can practice other numbers also and copy this in your maths copy. Thank you.